Now let's go to play the colors. Can you tell me the colors?
It's green, orange, pink, purple, yellow, and blue.
Very good, Gabriel.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go to play.
Gabriel, what are you doing? You are playing the magnetic shape. Can you show me how it's work? Wow. Nice. Uh-oh. What shape is that? You say the shape, what is that?
Triangle
A square, no?
square, yeah.
You are doing the house?
Ba?
You're doing the house? Wow. Show me, show me. And the other side? Here? Wow, it's beautiful. And you do another shape? Show me. Wow. There is also a lot of colors, no? Different colors. Like that magnetic?
Yeah.
It's good, right? Are you enjoying to play?
Yeah.
Wow. That is so big, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. You are building the house. Wow. That's nice. No problem. You can do it. Go, 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 Gabriel. Go, go, go. You are doing well. It's going down. It's okay. You do the other shape, the triangle. Wow. What you did? Wow.
A few moments later.
Gabriel, what are you doing now? What you gonna do?
I want make a house.
Ah, good. You will show me, no, your house? Wow. Now it's getting higher. Nice one, Gabriel. Now it's high, no? Wow. Oh. Nice one, Gabriel.
For watching. Bye. I love you all.